You have ugly mold, mildew, and moss on your siding, you don't have to spend a penny to wash it off. Expensive siding washes at the home improvement stores are not needed. You already have everything you need. Ordinary household bleach, that's all you need, plus a little bit of Dawn detergent. Dishwashing soap of any brand will do. Water, I bet you already have water. Oh, that's right, a pump sprayer. A handy dandy pump sprayer. This one is a 1 gallon. It was on sale for 10 bucks. Now, if you step up to the 2-gallon varieties, they're $15 to $25 depending on the brand. And when you're done, you can reuse these for deck staining, painting, pest control, weed killers. So you want one of these around the house anyways. I've read all the viewer comments and found out the whole internet was using this concoction anyways. They weren't buying products, it's just not needed. The dishwashing Dawn or any brand of liquid soap has surfactants in it, and that will help the bleach to flow better across the surface. So I want you to pour in 1/3 of bleach to 2/3 of water. Now that might sound like a lot of bleach, but residential household bleach only has about 7 to 10% of bleach anyway, so it's already somewhat diluted, and we're going to dilute it further for the tank sprayer. Most tank sprayers will give you some markings on the side so you know how much product you're using. This is 1/2 gallon and full gallon. And then I want you to finish with 8 ounces of dishwashing liquid. It can be Dawn or any brand. Screw on the pump sprayer nozzle. Make sure you don't cross thread. There'll be pressure building up in here. And you start pumping it up. Also give it a little bit of a shake. Okay, now go ahead and let the product set. This concoction of water, dishwasher soap, and bleach needs to work, but you're going to spray it off. You don't want it to dry on the surface. While I was up here, I also sprayed the soffit as well. On the internet, the best practices mentioned you don't want to mix up a ton of this because over time the detergent won't work as good with the bleach. So you do want to mix it the same amount you'll think you'll use the same day. Are my glasses wet? I can't tell. Okay, now when you're applying the product, it says best practice is to start from the bottom up and then let it set, and then when you're washing it down, start from the top and work down. It's working very well. There's a couple spots where I felt like I needed a little bit of elbow grease in there, but it's definitely coming right off. It's the cleanest the siding has been in years. When you're spraying near attic vents, make sure not to spray directly into an attic vent. You don't want water right into your insulation in the attic. Water, bleach, and soap. Who knew? You don't have to spend any money, especially if you already had a pump sprayer. I bet you already had all the other ingredients. Let me know if you've used this for siding wash. How often do you treat and wash your house?